what happened to Deborah Mark, anchor of Talk Radio 790 KABC. What did happen, Deborah Mark? He gets in his car. I don't know how she could hide in the back seat in a Mercedes convertible without being spotted, but she managed to, and then started stabbing him in the face, the neck, and the head with an ice pick.
That's right. He didn't see it coming. He got into his car. She allegedly jumped out from the back seat, started stabbing him. He crashed into that tree. They both jumped out of the car. They ran in different directions. She allegedly dropped the ice pick close by and then ran away a few blocks away, and that's where she was arrested.
We are taking your calls out to Deborah Mark, anchor with Talk Radio 790 KABC. Deborah, I don't like it. He doesn't report her missing. Husband, not a suspect. He doesn't report her missing. Friends report her missing. And who is this person that he moves into his home right after she goes missing? His wife. And then props her up as the hostess at the restaurant. It's like his wife's gone one day and the next day goes, here's the menu, you be the hostess. I don't get it.
Out of sight, out of mind, I guess. It's very bizarre. This is a very bizarre case. She has a handful of friends. Allegedly, her friends say that her husband discouraged her from having a lot of friends. They have not heard anything from this woman. Nothing.
We are taking your calls out. Wife had the day before. Back to you, Deborah Mark, KABC, Talk Radio 790. Now, how quickly did the husband move the girlfriend into the hostess position at the restaurant?
It was pretty quick. It was not a long time. And you know the weird thing about this also is that they were happily married, allegedly. This is what she was telling her friends. She was concerned, however, because he was arrested in the past and she knew that he, had the drug charges against him. She actually stashed away about $640, gave it to a friend because she was worried that he would be arrested again, so she wanted to make sure that she wasn't left with nothing. Now, she left, never even went to that friend's house to go and get that money. That money's still there.
2-year-old Justin Quinones and 4-year-old Jacob Quinones. Straight out to Deborah Mark, joining us from L.A. Deborah with Talk Radio 790 KABC. Deborah, what can you tell me about Justin and Jacob?
Nancy, nobody has heard from them at all. They've been missing since last Thursday, and we haven't heard from the father or the paternal grandfather who are suspected of taking these two little boys right from their mother.
How did it go down, Deborah? What happened?
Last week, the mom was taking the trash out in an alley in her Anaheim apartment complex. Two boys, 4-year-old and 2-year-old boys, were with her, and car comes screaming down the alley. A man jumps out, grabs one of the boys, brings the boy back into the car, the van. Turns out that was the grandfather. And then the father did the same thing with the 2-year-old baby right out of the mother's arms.
We know